Space is vast, silent, and mostly empty. But now and then, something speaks back. From eerie radio bursts to bizarre patterns that defy explanation, these are the creepiest signals we've ever received from space. Signals that make scientists question everything and make the rest of us a little afraid to listen. The Lorimer Burst, the very first FRB, discovered accidentally by Duncan Lorimer and his student in 2007 while reviewing archival data. It was so powerful it looked fake, but it wasn't. Its origin? Unknown. It came from billions of light years away, and to this day its source remains one of the greatest unsolved cosmic mysteries. SHGB-02 plus 14A, a signal detected by SETI at home in 2003. It lasted nearly a minute, came from deep space, and had no nearby stars associated with it. The signal drifted in frequency, suggesting a source rotating or moving rapidly. But no known astronomical object matched its profile. It has never repeated. To many, it's the second most promising candidate after the WOW signal. To others, it's just noise. Intelligent? Unknown, but definitely creepy. The Kepler star, KIC 846-2852. Nicknamed Tabby Star, observed by the Kepler Space Telescope, it dims in strange, irregular patterns, not like a planet passing in front, but like something massive or artificial. Some speculated a Dyson sphere, a megastructure built by an advanced civilization. Further analysis suggested dust clouds, but nothing fully explains its behavior. A signal in light rather than sound, and still unsolved. FRBs, fast radio bursts. First discovered in 2007, FRBs are high-energy radio pulses that last milliseconds, yet release more energy than the sun does in days. Some are one-time events, others repeat. Theories include magnetars, black holes, neutron star collisions, and alien technology. In 2020, an FRB was detected from within our own galaxy. Its source, a magnetar, but many others, still unexplained. One repeating signal, FRB 121102, has sent hundreds of bursts from the same spot in space. Why? And who or what might be behind it? The black hole echoes. In 2021, scientists observed X-ray echoes coming from behind a black hole for the first time ever. They weren't just gravitational distortions, they were reverberations of unknown origin. The light had bent through space-time itself. But what was reflecting it? And why did it pulse like a message? Some physicists think black holes might not be just graves of matter, but potential windows. To what, though? That remains unsettling. Voyager's golden record. This one we sent. In 1977, Voyager 1 and 2 carried a golden record of Earth's sounds, languages, and music. A message to the stars. But some ask, what if we shouldn't have? What if something answers? Or already has? No response yet. But the signal is out there and it's traveling forever. The WOW signal, 1977. It lasted just 72 seconds, but it changed everything. On August 15, 1977, Dr. Jerry Amon at the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio received a powerful narrowband signal from the Sagittarius constellation. He circled it and wrote "WOW" in red pen, and the name stuck. The frequency was extremely close to the hydrogen line, a universal marker scientists believe extraterrestrials might use. The signal never repeated. Was it a message from another civilization, or just a rare space anomaly? No one knows, but we've been listening ever since. The Green Bank message. In 1960, Frank Drake pointed the Green Bank telescope at two nearby sun-like stars. It was the first official SETI experiment. He didn't detect anything unusual. But later, unexplained patterns were found in archived data. Could it have been overlooked or intentionally ignored? Many SETI researchers still wonder if the first signal from intelligent life was missed or dismissed. The Pioneer Anomaly. This wasn't a signal we received, it was a signal we sent that came back wrong. Both Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft experienced unexpected deceleration. Not enough to change missions, but enough to confuse scientists for decades. Was it a software error, a math mistake, or a sign that something out there was interfering? Eventually, heat emission was blamed, but some physicists still aren't convinced. And if something was pulling back, why just those probes? LGM-1. In 1967, Jocelyn Bell Burnell discovered a repeating radio signal coming from space. Perfectly timed, predictable, unnatural. They named it LGM-1, Little Green Men 1. It turned out to be the first pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, not aliens. But it was the first time humans received a signal so regular, so precise. We thought it was intelligent. Breakthrough. Listen anomalies. Breakthrough Listen, one of the most ambitious alien signal hunts ever, has logged thousands of anomalies. Most turn out to be interference. Some don't. In 2019, a narrowband signal was detected from the direction of Proxima Centauri. No known spacecraft, satellite, or source matched. They called it BLC-1. The team says it's likely Earth-based. Others aren't so sure. Was it just noise? Or the first whisper from our closest stellar neighbor? The repeating beacon from GCRTJ 1745-3009. In 2002, a radio telescope near the Galactic Center picked up something strange. A signal that turned on and off, like a beacon. It pulsed every 77 minutes for over a week, then disappeared. No known star, planet, or object behaves like this, and it came from a crowded, chaotic part of the galaxy. Was it a flare, a dying star, or a transmission lost in cosmic traffic? We still don't know. The Arecibo message and crop circle reply. In 1974, we sent the Arecibo message, a binary radio signal beamed to a distant star cluster. It was a greeting from humanity. 27 years later, a strange crop formation appeared near the Chilbolton Observatory in England. It mirrored the original Arecibo message with disturbing changes, a different solar system, altered DNA, and a non-human figure. Was it a prank, a coincidence, or a reply? SETI scientists remain skeptical. But it raises the question, what happens if someone really does answer back? The enigma of X-class stellar flares. X-class flares are the most intense explosions a star can produce. But in recent years, telescopes have captured sudden, sharp X-ray flares from distant stars, with no known cause. No rotation, no companion star, no black hole. Just sudden bursts of extreme energy. Some astronomers propose natural causes like unstable magnetic loops. Others believe it may point to advanced civilizations harnessing stellar power. After all, what better way to get noticed than firing a star like a flare gun? The signals are short, but their implications could be enormous. The ghost signal from exoplanet GJ1151. In 2020, astronomers detected a peculiar radio signal from the red dwarf star GJ1151. It came from the same region where an exoplanet was believed to orbit. The signal was stable, repeating, and unlike anything typically emitted by stars. Some suggested it could be the result of interaction between the planet's magnetic field and its host star. But others weren't convinced. Could it be an artificial signal? A signature of alien technology? Or just misunderstood stellar physics? Whatever it was, it seemed deliberate. Space is full of mystery. But every signal we hear is like a knock on the cosmic door. Sometimes it's nature, sometimes it's us, and sometimes we're not so sure. If you want more unsettling space mysteries, subscribe, because the universe still has secrets, and some of them are trying to talk to us.